Hello guys, and in today's video we're going to be talking about data types in Python. So there are four main basic data types in Python. The number one data type is string, followed by integer, then float, and then Boolean. So what are data types? So data types are basically four types of things. The first thing we're going to be talking about is strings. So string is basically a piece of text written using quotation marks. So whenever you're trying to write a piece of text, you will just include it in quotation marks to let the computer know that what you're writing is a string. So with strings, we can write a text and store it in a variable, or we can print the text. It's like our little message. We can post it anywhere, and it's very cool. So the next data type we're going to be talking about is the integer. So the integer data type is a whole number without any decimals. You got to remember that it's a whole number without any decimals. So it is used for math. So for example, here are the integers. We're adding them together to this variable, and we can print the sum variable, and we can see it in the console that it's going to be 20. And for integers, you don't need to include quotation marks because they don't need to. The next data type is the float data type. A float is a number with decimals, and it is also used for math. So one common number will be 3.5. So the main difference between an integer and a float is that an integer is a number without any decimals, and a float is a number with decimals. The last data type that we're going to be talking about is the Boolean data type. So a Boolean data type is a true or false statement, and it is useful in many ways. We're going to be talking about Booleans in upcoming videos, but for now, all you have to remember is Booleans are used for condition. For example, we can say that fly equals true, and if fly equals true, we can print this message that we can fly, and if it's false, then we can print the message on the console that we can't fly. So we can see that with this, we can basically control the condition of these two arguments. Well, that's it for basic data types in Python. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.